Welcome to the VS Criminal Defense Attorneys podcast, providing an informative resource on criminal law with a specific focus on sex crimes. From protecting yourself from false accusations to understanding the exact boundaries of the law, being informed is always the best first line of defense. This podcast series is reviewed and approved by attorney Michelle Villanueva-Skura.
In this episode of our podcast, we want to emphasize why it's crucial to procure the services of a premier legal firm specializing in the defense of sexual offense charges in Mesa, Arizona. Facing charges for any kind of sex crime can be extremely difficult and stressful, and you should never face them alone. At VS Criminal Defense Attorneys, our team of dedicated defense lawyers specializing in sexual crime cases provides unmatched legal representation near you. We're committed to safeguarding your rights, utilizing our specialized knowledge to challenge allegations and secure justice, making us a trusted choice for those facing such serious charges in Mesa. First of all, we want to highlight the services we provide for residents of Mesa. At our firm, expert legal defense is our hallmark, especially for cases of sexual misconduct and indecent exposure. With a deep understanding of the laws and a commitment to our clients, we navigate the complexities of each case, striving to achieve the best possible outcomes and restore reputations, thereby solidifying our status as Mesa's go-to firm for these sensitive legal matters. The professional legal services we offer include the following: legal advocacy for individuals facing prostitution-related accusations. Our skilled legal team advocates vigorously for individuals accused of prostitution, providing strategic defense to challenge the accusations and safeguard their rights and reputation, emphasizing confidentiality and respect throughout the legal process. Counsel for clients against charges of pimping and pandering. We offer expert legal counsel for clients facing charges of pimping and pandering, employing our extensive knowledge and experience to develop effective defense strategies, aiming to achieve a favorable resolution while upholding the client's dignity. Support for combating claims of rape and sexual assault. Our firm provides steadfast support for individuals combating claims of rape and sexual assault, offering a robust defense that scrutinizes every detail of the case to challenge the allegations and seek justice for the accused. Assistance for those accused of sex trafficking and exploitation. We deliver specialized assistance for those accused of sex trafficking and exploitation, navigating the complexities of these serious charges with a focus on strategic defense and a commitment to the client's rights. Guidance through pre-charge phases of sexual crime investigations. Our legal professionals offer invaluable guidance during the pre-charge phases of sexual crime investigations, providing early intervention and strategic advice to influence the outcome positively and prepare for potential charges. And representation for individuals facing solicitation charges. We provide comprehensive representation for individuals facing solicitation charges, focusing on dismantling the prosecution's case and employing nuanced legal strategies to defend the client's rights and work towards a favorable outcome. You might be wondering, what factors increase the severity of a sexual assault charge in Arizona? Several factors can increase the severity of a sexual assault charge, including the use of force or violence, the victim's age, especially if the victim is a minor, the presence of bodily injuries, the use of a weapon, and the perpetrator's criminal history. If the assault results in serious physical harm or is committed alongside other criminal acts, this can further elevate the charge's gravity. Additionally, the relationship between the assailant and the victim, such as a position of trust or authority, can also intensify the charges. Each of these factors is considered by the legal system to reflect the assault's severity and to ensure the punishment is commensurate with the offense's nature. We are also frequently asked, what are the time limits for prosecuting serious sex crimes in Arizona? In Arizona, the time limits for prosecuting serious sex crimes can vary. Generally, there is no statute of limitations for prosecuting serious sex crimes like rape, sexual assault, or molestation of a child when the victim is under 15 years old. For other sex crimes, the statutes of limitations may vary, with some having a time frame of 7 years after the crime is reported or the victim turns 18. It's crucial to note that these laws can change, and specific circumstances might affect the applicable time limits. Victims or accused individuals should consult with a legal professional to understand the current laws and how they apply to their situation. Next, let's review how do prosecutors in Arizona prove rape or sexual abuse cases. In Arizona, prosecutors prove rape or sexual abuse cases by presenting a combination of physical evidence, witness testimonies, and expert statements. Physical evidence can include DNA samples, medical reports of injuries, and any other forensic data collected. Witness testimonies, especially from the victim, are crucial, providing a detailed account of the incident. Expert witnesses, such as forensic analysts or medical professionals, may also testify regarding the evidence's validity and its implications. Additionally, prosecutors may use any relevant communication, such as texts or emails, to establish the context and relationship between the involved parties, reinforcing the narrative of non-consent or abuse. The aim is to construct a compelling case that demonstrates the defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, adhering to the stringent requirements of criminal law. In that sense, does rape always involve physical sexual contact to warrant charges? In the context of legal definitions, rape typically involves physical sexual contact to warrant charges. This contact is generally defined as non-consensual, vaginal, anal, or oral penetration obtained by force, by the threat of harm, or when the victim is incapacitated or unable to give consent. However, the specific legal definitions of rape can vary by jurisdiction. In Arizona, for example, the law encompasses a broad range of non-consensual sexual activities under its sexual assault statutes. It's crucial to understand that each state's legal framework might have different criteria for what constitutes rape or sexual assault. For precise definitions and legal guidance, consulting the specific statutes of the relevant jurisdiction or seeking legal counsel is recommended. Moving forward, is it possible for a spouse or partner to file sexual assault charges in Arizona? The answer is yes. In Arizona, a spouse or partner can file sexual assault charges against their significant other. The law recognizes that sexual assault can occur within any relationship, regardless of marital or partnership status. Consent is a crucial element in any sexual interaction, and the absence of it constitutes sexual assault, even within a marriage or partnership. Thus, individuals who experience non-consensual sexual activities have the right to seek legal action against the perpetrator, regardless of their relationship status. This legal stance ensures that victims of sexual assault have avenues to pursue justice and protection under the law. Lastly, when does one person have to register as a sex offender in Arizona? In Arizona, individuals are required to register as sex offenders if they are convicted of specific sexual offenses outlined by state law. This includes a range of crimes such as rape, sexual assault, child molestation, and possession of child pornography, among others. The requirement to register is triggered by a conviction, and the offender must then comply with Arizona's sex offender registration laws, which include regularly updating their personal information and adhering to any residency restrictions. The aim is to provide communities with relevant information about individuals who have been convicted of sexual offenses to enhance public safety. The specifics of the registration process, including duration and specific restrictions, depend on the severity of the offense and other factors determined by the court. Remember that sex crimes convictions in Arizona have severe consequences, and you should always get reliable legal assistance for any sex crime allegation you could be facing before it's too late. In Mesa, our law firm offers reliable legal assistance for individuals facing sex crime allegations, ensuring expert representation at every legal juncture. We understand the serious implications of such charges and are committed to providing a defense that not only challenges the allegations, but also upholds your rights and dignity. At VS Criminal Defense Attorneys, our experienced team is dedicated to navigating the complexities of sex crime law, delivering personalized strategies that aim to secure the most favorable outcomes while maintaining the utmost confidentiality and respect for our clients. Trust our legal expertise to offer the support and advocacy you need during this challenging time. We provide relentless defense against charges and false accusations for sexual abuse, molestation of a child, prostitution, sexual assault, molestation, solicitation, sexual misconduct, rape, violent sexual assault, sexual conduct with a minor, statutory rape, indecent exposure, possession of child pornography, sexual exploitation of a minor, luring of a minor, pre-charges, pre-indictments, and dangerous crimes against children. If you or someone you know are in need of legal assistance for sex crime allegations, don't hesitate to reach out to VS Criminal Defense Attorneys. We encourage you to contact us today for a free and confidential consultation to start building a strong defense. Call us at 480-923-9001 or visit us online at vsattorney.com.
Thank you for listening to the VS Criminal Defense Attorneys podcast. VS Criminal Defense Attorneys are focused on offering clients personalized service and aggressive representation. Our attorneys are passionate about individual rights, government accountability, and personal freedom. No matter what you are charged with, our criminal defense attorneys will be there to guide you. Call today to schedule your strategy session. It is time to fight back.